If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To validate data entry within a drop-down or text field in a form in Acrobat, open a form, click the Edit button in the top bar, and then click the Prepare a Form link in the Edit panel to switch to the Prepare a Form view. If you added a drop-down or text field to a form, then double-click the field to open either the drop-down properties or text field properties dialog boxes, respectively. Then click the Validate tab to approve the field input from users of the form by comparing it to a list of acceptable values or by running a custom validation script. To remove data field validation, select the Field Value is not validated option button. This option is selected by default. To validate by a numeric range, if the field is formatted as a number or percentage on the Format tab, enter the acceptable range of number values to allow by selecting the Field Value is in Range option button. Then enter the lowest acceptable value into the From field and the highest acceptable value into the To field. Alternatively, to validate the field using a custom JavaScript, select the Run Custom Validation Script option button. Then click the adjacent Edit button to open the JavaScript Editor dialog box. Then type a JavaScript into the text field here, or copy and paste a JavaScript into the text field. Then click the OK button when finished. You can then click the Close button in the Properties dialog box when finished. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.